everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, nobody is with me because I'm going to be doing the tutorial on myself. So I have not really done any videos on myself. There's a number of reasons. One, I'm really lazy. I don't like doing my own hair. But the main reason is I have got really fine hair. I've got fine hair and I've got thin hair. So I always just thought, oh, what's the point in showing a video on this hair type? I can't be bothered, it won't look as good. And then I've suddenly realised that I'll literally wear my hair down, like this, or I wear it in a ponytail, like this. And there's so many styles out there for this hair type that I thought, right, I'm going to take the opportunity to learn some styles and show you guys. So if this is the kind of video that you want to see me do, please leave a comment below. I do read all the comments. And before you come at me and say, oh, your hair doesn't look that fine, this is just freshly washed. So this is the best it looks, the fluffiest and fullest it looks. But if I show you, so can you see all this? And this isn't breakage, this is just my hair now. I've tried Olaplex, biotin, not dyeing my hair for 2 years. It goes all the way up here. And then if I actually pull my hair to the side and kind of twist it, I think you'll get a better idea of how much hair that I've actually got to play with. That's it, that's all my hair in a ponytail, and that's the fullest it looks like. When the day after I've washed my hair, that looks even thinner. So not a lot of hair to play with, but there is some tricks that you can do to make it look like you've got more hair. And it's sort of like the positioning of the front, because not only have I got thin hair, I know a lot of you have this, sorry my chair's spinning. There we go. Not only have I got thin hair, but also my hairline does go back. So it's kind of like that shape. So if I was to just grab my hair into a high bun, it just looks so gappy. And look, it looks like I'm going bald there. This bit looks really bald, especially the day after wash day. So I'm going to show you a style. Instead of a ponytail, it'll take you 2 minutes. And I think it's really easy, so let's get started. Okay, so like I said, I have just washed my hair, so it is looking pretty good, pretty fluffy. As I pull my hair up, the hair strands are all kind of like fluffed out. But I'd still recommend, when you've got finer hair, if you're going to put it up, using a bit of like dry shampoo type product. So this one is from Styler Pro, it's called Volume. But any kind of dry shampoo, and you just want to go in on your roots here. So I'm just going to kind of put it in the roots and get my fingers and just give it a little fluff up. And it's just going to help just give the hair that bit of extra volume, because it's all about sort of making your hair look like there's more of it. So just going in like that. And I'm going to do a little bit on the crown, because I've got really fine hair on the crown area. Now next I want some bits down. Now it's funny with the bits down, because if you're not careful, if I was just to pull that and then pull these to the side, I just feel like it looks really like sparse around here. So the way that I kind of disguise that is I come back a little bit, and then either with a comb or your fingernail just kind of like zigzaggy down like that. Okay, and then I'm going to have a mess now. So if I was just to put a little bit of back comb there in a minute, that is a much nicer kind of like, can you see how you wouldn't really be able to tell now that I haven't got a lot of hair there? Perhaps just a little bit on the full side. I might just take a little bit out there. And you'll do the same on this side, guys. So I'm just going to come back a little bit. So I'm going to use, so basically what you're trying to do is hide this bit. So you'll just kind of come back and down and just kind of zigzaggy down. And again, you might just need a little bit there. But I think we're more or less okay. So now we've decided on the bits down, I'm going to just add a little bit of grip to my hair because, like I say, it looks its best when it's just been washed because it looks the fullest, but it's quite soft, it's quite hard to work with. So I'm just going to be using a spray clay by Sexy Hair. It's a little bit like a dry shampoo, but it's almost got a tiny bit of chalkiness to it that just gives the hair a bit of grip. So I'll just kind of take hold of my hair and just spray that product through. It's not like a hairspray. It doesn't make the hair kind of sticky. You can still kind of work with the hair. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to say to you about fine hair is it's all about how you take the hair away from the face. So if I was just to get a comb or a brush or even my fingers and just pull this back, I've instantly made this hair look finer. And again, you can see the little gappy bits. Can you see that? Same on this side. If I was just to pull back, see the gappy bits. So the way I kind of do it is I look in the mirror. I like using my fingers. I'll just kind of take my hands and I want to almost drag it down first. So can you see, just by dragging it down instead of back. So drag it down and I'm going to just kind of like drag it back with one hand and just kind of hold it there. And then you want to do the same on this side. So I'm just kind of dragging the hair. Okay, so I've kind of gathered it all at the back now. And by the way, I haven't cut these bits. This is just how long they grow. Okay, so we've just kind of brought that hair back. Super simple. So we've got all the hair, guys, and I'm just going to turn that hair a little bit at the bottom just to kind of like lock in that bottom bit. And then with this bit here, I'm just going to create with my fingers a little circle like that. And then that's what's going to be what finishes off the style. So there's a little twist at the bottom and then a little circle at the top. And then because I've barely got any hair, this bit's really easy. You'll just take a regular bobby pin and just go straight into that circle and just kind of like weave it in, push. And then if you just keep checking in the mirror, guys, so looking in one mirror and looking back at another mirror so you can see the back of your head, you can just kind of like tease this out a little bit, really gently. So from the front, guys, you can decide if you kind of want it to come over the ear. I'm just going to like hold on with one hand and then just kind of get my fingers and just give it a little bit more oomph, just gently. Now just to finish it off, a little bit more clay spray, and I prefer this to hairspray with fine hair because it doesn't kind of clump the hair together and make it look thinner. It kind of like fluffs it out. So just doing a couple just at the root there. And then again, letting that kind of fall. Taking my straighteners, which are by Style Pro, but any straighteners, any curl. Now you can just kind of leave it straight. I think that's more every day. But if you were going somewhere, you can just kind of get your straighteners and I just kind of like bring it up first so we've got a bit of body. And then I just put a real gentle turn. You see I just turned away just a little bit. And it's just given just a bend to it. I don't want curls today. So just down and then just sliding it, almost like rolling it away from my face a little bit. I'm moving again. So again, I'm just going to kind of come up. And this one, for some reason, I think it must just be the angle that I hold it, always kind of goes more curly. And then I just kind of like run it down. So there we have it, guys. I would love to hear your thoughts. Really simple style. Should take you like 5 minutes to do. So instead of a ponytail, I'll just give you another view of the back. So the whole aim of the game is no one's really going to look at you and think, oh my gosh, you've got no hair. And the upside is, because the hair's so fine, it only takes about 3 grips to hold up, whereas when someone's got a lot of hair, you'd be twisting and pinning and it will be falling down. So there is definitely some perks to having not a lot of hair. So hopefully you liked my tutorial on myself, and I'll see you again for another video very soon. Bye!